Meaning of HMS Bounty.
HMS Bounty.
HMS Bounty.
HMS Bounty.
HMS Bounty. HMS Bounty was a British ship that became famous for the infamous mutiny that took place on board in 1789. The ship was originally designed for transporting breadfruit trees from Tahiti to the Caribbean, but tensions rose between the crew and Captain William Bligh during the voyage. Eventually, Bligh was overthrown by his own crew led by Fletcher Christian, who declared himself captain of the mutineers. The story has since become a popular legend portrayed in books, films, and TV shows, and HMS Bounty has become a well-known symbol of maritime history and adventure.